How can I retrieve my W-2 form online?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can retrieve your W-2 form online. This is a crucial form for your tax filing, and in case you've lost it or didn't receive it, there's no need to worry. We've got you covered.
What is a W-2 form?
Before we get started, let's understand what a W-2 form is. This is a form that an employer sends to the employee and the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, at the end of the year. It includes important information like your earnings, tax withheld, Social Security earnings, and more that you would need to file your federal and state taxes.
When should you receive your W-2 form?
By law, employers are required to send out W-2 forms by January 31st. So, you should usually receive it by early February. If you haven't received it by then, here's what you can do.
Contacting your employer.
The first step you should take if you haven't received your W-2 form is to contact your employer. It's possible there may have been an error, or it got lost in the mail. If you worked for a company that has gone out of business, try to contact them through their last known contact info.
Contacting the IRS.
If contacting your employer doesn't work, or if you cannot reach them, your next step should be to call the IRS. You will need to provide some information, such as your name, address, Social Security number, and information about your employer.
Accessing your W-2 online.
If your employer has an online portal, then you should be able to access your W-2 online. This process may vary depending on the specific system your employer uses. Generally, you will need to log into your account and look for a section related to pay, taxes, or documents.
Using an online tax filing service.
Many online tax filing services have features that allow you to import your W-2 information directly. You will generally need to provide your employer's identification number, EIN, and your wages and tax withholdings will be filled automatically. And that's how you can retrieve your W-2 form online. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, it's important to have all your tax documents in order before filing your taxes. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to consult a tax professional. Thanks for watching.